Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is only for your good preparation for the Neet exam. I will discuss biology MCQs with you at regular interval and definitely it will help you to crack the Neet exam. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you found value in this video, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing my channel. Let's keep this community growing, and also feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Now the question is, identify the incorrectly matched pair: plague viral disease, malignant malaria plasmodium falciparum, common cold rhinovirus, trichophyton ringworm. The correct answer will be plague viral disease, because plague is a bacterial disease caused by enterobacteria pestis. It is endemic disease reported by World Health Organization, whereas typhoid caused by Salmonella typhi and diagnosed by viral test. Malaria caused by Plasmodium falciparum causes cerebral malaria or malignant malaria, and the common cold is a viral infection caused by rhinovirus. So here the correct answer is option 1, plague or viral disease. Next question: which of the following pairs of disease is viral as well as transmitted by mosquitoes? The options are elephantiasis and dengue, yellow fever and sleeping sickness, elephant encephalitis and sleeping sickness, yellow fever and dengue. Here the correct answer will be option 4, yellow fever and dengue. The virus of dengue fever is transmitted by the bite of tiger mosquito Aedes aegypti during daytime. The virus which causes dengue fever is a mosquito-borne flavirovirus. Yellow fever is a zoonotic disease caused by an arbovirus. It is hemorrhagic disease transmitted by the infected Aedes aegypti mosquito. So here the correct answer is option 4. The next question: what is true about T lymphocytes in mammals? The options are: there are three main types: cytotoxic T cells, helper T cells and suppressor T cells. These originate in secondary lymphoid tissue. They scavenge damaged cells and cellular debris. These are produced in thyroid. Here the answer will be option 1. There are three main types of cytotoxic T cell: helper T cell and suppressor T cell, because uh, these three types of cells play a central role in cell mediated immunity, that is a helper T cell, and the T lymphocytes are so called because they originate in the bone marrow. They mature in the thymus. There are three main types, namely cytotoxic T cell, helper T cell and suppressor T cells. They are involved in cell mediated immunity, and that is they recognize and kill the infected cells directly. Now the next question: short-lived immunity acquired from mother to fetus across the placenta or through mother's milk to the infant is categorized as option 1, active immunity, passive immunity, cellular immunity, and the last option is innate non-specific immunity. Here the correct answer will be option 2, passive immunity, because short-lived immunity acquired from mothers to fetus across placenta or through mother's milk to the infant is categorized as passive immunity. In passive immunity, then there is a transfer of preformed antibodies in host to a recipient. In this case, the resistance is passively transferred from the mother to the fetus through placenta or through mother's milk. So here the correct answer is passive immunity. Next question: which of the following organization is mainly related with AIDS? The options are NACO, DOTS, RCH and WHO. Here the correct answer will be option 1, NACO, because in India the awareness of AIDS is being spread mainly by the National AIDS Control Organization, that is NACO, NACO. Now thank you and stay tuned for our next video, and I would truly grateful it if you enjoyed this one.